actually, and you can use scripture in your speech making. And this in particular is used quite a lot, actually, even today, particularly by bishops, Māori bishops. But people who are, you know, Christians themselves, they'll actually build part of the Beatitudes into their speech making, into their formal mihi. And I offer you one today. Tihe mauri ora. Ti tiroinga iwi, te kapu o ta tātou ringa ringa. He taonga enei nā ngā tupuna. Ka koa te hunga he rawa kore nei te wairua. Nō rātou hoki te rangatiratanga o te rangi. Ka koa te hunga e tangi ana. Ka whakamārie tia hoki rātou. Ka koa te hunga ngākau māhaki. Ka riro hoki i a rātou te whenua. Ka koa te hunga e hia kai ana, e hia inu ana ki te tika, e mā kona hoki rātou. Kua tupu ngā rākau, kua puawai ngā hua, kua waiata ngā manu. Kua tau te wao, kua tau, kua tau, kua tau e. Haere mai te ai o tanga. Haumi e, hui e, tae ki e. So building in the Beatitudes into your speech making is actually a wonderful touch. You don't need to say the whole thing. Just pick some out, and we'll go through the whole of the Beatitudes in this series. And at some stage or another, I might even challenge you to put together a mihi that includes parts or verses of the Beatitudes. But what better way to say, you know, look, people, what have we got in our hands? Treasures handed down from our tupuna. Blessed are the poor in spirit. It's beautiful. For theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are those who mourn and grieve, for they will be comforted. Blessed are the meek, you know, so it's part of your speech making. It's not just said. And I think a little bit about what John talked about, the rangi, the way in which it's delivered, because the rangi is related to the feeling that you give people when you speak, when they hear those words. Certainly Māori might even get the old tissue out if you said the Beatitudes in your mihi or your Whaikōrero. It's just a beautiful building in and building upon Whaikōrero, the Beatitudes.